How to sign up for Amazon affiliate program step-by-step guide. If you want to sign up for Amazon affiliate program, you just go to affiliate-program.amazon.com. Otherwise, I would recommend a simple thing is just go to your browser and type in affiliate Amazon, right? So type in affiliate Amazon and you'll find the Amazon affiliate central from here. Now if you have not yet associated and not signed up for Amazon affiliate, here you'll find the sign up button. It says recommend products and earn commission. So if people buy it, you'll earn a certain amount of commission. Just go to the sign up button that you would be able to find over here, and once you go to the sign up option, you should be able to see this type of particular interface right here. So let's just wait until this process has been loaded up. Here you have to fill in the simple information based on what it is. So please read these instructions before you fill this. To whom should we issue payments? Your primary account address is below. We will make payment to this account unless you add or select a different address, right? The payer listed above or someone else, you can select that and then just click the next option. Fill in other details as well, right? Like enter the website. So if you have a certain website, make sure to also just go ahead and then enter that particular website or mobile or app URL. So in this case, let me just go ahead and then just select one of my website right here, right? So once I've selected my website, I'll simply copy the URL of the website. I'll come back and I'll paste it and I'll click on add right here. Then I'll click on the next button again. Now, are any of the traffic sources directly related or primarily at children under 13? So we'll select no and select confirm the option. So what is your preferred associate store ID? So you can simply go ahead and enter the store ID. Tell us about the content you create, right? So once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and make sure to enter that as well. And after you've done that, you can see which of the following best describes your content: a blog, content, a niche, website, whatever else. How did you hear about us? From the website or whatever else. Now you can also just go ahead and then basically choose to just type in this CAPTCHA, verified, agree to the terms and conditions, and click the finish button. Last but not the least, you have to actually just verify your account, I think. Now it will ask you to enter your payment and tax information, which by the way, you can do it later. But for now, you can see this is your Amazon affiliate account, which is your Amazon associate, where you'll be able to find all the different sort of links and so on. So this way you'll be able to sign up for Amazon affiliate. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and as always, see you soon in our next video.